Good morning. Just here with the little guy. Hey. Got a day off today. Oh, and here with Looney as well. Hey. We've got him this new thing. He loves it. He loves it. It's quite the monstrosity in my house though, but if he loves it, I'm all okay for it. So this morning, just relaxing around the house. We're going to have pancake breakfast together as a family. Every single Thursday morning we try to do that because Thursdays are sort of our day off. When you work hospitality, weekends are for work, and then like you have a day off some other time. That's how we run our life. So we do Thursdays as the day off. And yeah, just enjoying it. I just want to just have a really relaxed day today. I do have a little bit of work I want to get done that I kind of need to get done at some point. But I'm hoping maybe it won't take too long. And then we can just relax and enjoy time with family. But to start with pancakes and coffee. That sounds delicious. Hey, do you like this new toy? Do you like it? Yeah. It's pretty fun. Yes. Wow. this morning. Done pancakes, cleaned up after pancakes, put away the groceries. I'm just prepping some veg and stuff for the fridge for the week. That'll be really nice. But most of the day I've been spent looking after Huxie. Yesterday I took him into the doctor. He's just got a bit of a flu thing just to get him checked out, but he's been a little bit sick. And Devon's now got it as well, so I've spent a whole day just looking after those two. Which is fun, but it's very exhausting. But as long as my men are okay, it's all good. But just relaxing now in the kitchen. Just going to take it pretty easy. I am going to relax. And it's relaxing for me in the kitchen. I enjoy it. I've been really enjoying just time in the kitchen, just pottering around. There's something very soothing about just pottering around and doing something that you really enjoy. I don't know if I'd really enjoy it, but I enjoy it. I do enjoy it. So I'm going to make some pizza now for dinner. That'll be the next thing. Pizza and popcorn, and Thursdays, days off, just a day for family. So we're all going to sit and just enjoy our time together. Sit, watch a show, eat some pizza and popcorn, and just enjoy everyone's company. But it is a little bit hard too when everyone's like a little bit sick, so I'm just constantly just trying to keep him happy. He's pretty happy there now with his whisk. Oh. Did your water go down the wrong pipe? But yeah, I'm just trying to keep everyone happy. But here's a big job when he's sick. Move him from here, move him there, hold him, nurse him, rock him. Yeah, just trying to keep him entertained. I'm all bedraggled from it. Babies, they're a bit of work, aren't they? You're a bit of work. You're smiling now and looking like a beautiful little boy. Anyway, pizza time. Let's make a pizza. It'll be fun. You can sit there and watch and enjoy. I have these curtains tucked up because the robot eats them. So if you're just like, oh my goodness, what is going on there? This curtain here just covers this door. Because we've got this strange door that leads nowhere. So I'm just like, put a curtain over it, you know. Which is fine, unless you have to tuck the curtain up for the robot and then you can see the door. But see, look, gone. I'm going to get in that fridge and I'm going to give it a really good clean out. Normally on Wednesdays I do it, but I've been working now Wednesdays, going up Wednesdays. And I just want to clean it out, make sure everything's relevant. There's nothing going bad. Like those bananas, they look pretty brown. Let's have a look. What's in here?
So we just spent the afternoon just visiting grandparents, which was really nice. And then we got home and I noticed this beautiful flower was growing outside. So I just picked some to bring inside. You know, just so sweet. Most of them were dead, but there were a few that sort of had a little bit of life left in them. And then, yeah, just spent the afternoon just making pizzas. Normally I like to make my pizza bases from scratch, but sometimes if I just don't have the time or if I just am at my capacity a little bit, I like to just use wraps. And these turn out really, really good. So just 2 wraps and in between them just like cheese. It turns out super, super good and it's like a really simple, quick and easy dinner.
So just feeding the little guy. He's got to have mash at the moment just because his throat's quite swollen, the doctor said. Poor little guy, got like a fluey thing. Yeah, you're super happy now. You love the camera. You're such a star. But he really loves to feed himself. He doesn't let anyone else feed him. He's like so independent already. Aren't so independent. You are. Hopefully he feels a bit better soon.
Okay, so just feeding my sourdough starter here, just at the end of every day, just, yep, feed the sourdough starter so that we can have nice sourdough bread. So I'm also making some popcorn for our movie night tonight. I just, put it in this pot on the stove, and I also really love to like just heat up, butter, honey and salt together and make like a bit of a caramel sauce that goes over the top of them. Delicious.